What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I got a huge package. So today we are gonna take this up to Wrap Effects and I'm gonna get this new piece wrapped in carbon fiber vinyl. Let's get this thing in the car. Another benefit to having a hatchback, man, is just how freaking functional this car is. Like, I can use this huge package. It barely fits. It's a little tight, but it works. So luckily this place is only about 7.6 miles away, so it's a pretty close drive. So, and gives me an excuse to drive on the highway because I don't get to do that very often. My job is so close that I just take the back streets to get to work. So let's get this baby started. So the plan is it's gonna get wrapped today. I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow, and then hopefully Saturday I will go get it installed. It's a nice sunny day here in Kansas City, 77 degrees. It's beautiful. All right, let's get on the road. Oh guys, I just love it when the weather's nice like this. It's been a crappy winter. I'll take the hot sun every day, but the cold, it could just go away. Car's doing good. I got about 13,000 miles on it. In June of this year, I'll have the car for exactly 2 years. I definitely love this car a lot more than my FK8. I mean, the FK8 was an amazing machine, but I'm kind of old school 90s Type R. I want it a little bit cleaner with all the excessive red in the interior. I love how these seats are all red. It doesn't have the black and the red. So for me, this car is about perfect. When I had my 2020 Championship White Civic Type R, within a few months of getting the car, I purchased some vinyl tape off Amazon, and I wrapped all of the red body kit that had that little red strip that goes all around the car. And then I also did the wheels, and man, the wheels looked so much better without the red on there. And then probably, I don't know, 6-7 months later, we got the camo version of the FL5. And then sometime after that, we finally got to see what the new FL5 Type R would look like, and I was happy to see that it didn't have a red stripe. So I think next, here in a few days, I'm gonna try to do some exhaust videos for you guys, find a good little spot under a bridge, maybe have one of my friends do some recording. All right, 6.5 miles, about 9 minutes. Not too shabby. We are running in, I guess we're running in comfort mode. Let's do individual. Actually, we're getting ready to get on the highway. Let's do sport. Let's switch it up for once. If you can see the rear view mirror, you can see how you can see the carbon fiber wing. It just pokes out a little bit on the bottom, which I love. Now I gotta ask myself, what am I gonna be doing after I get this lip on? You know, I'm not sure. I don't have another mod planned yet. We'll have to kind of see what I feel like doing. It's kind of exciting. I'm pretty close to 1,000 subscribers, so I think I'm estimating I might be able to be monetized in about 3 months or close to my birthday. But I gotta keep pumping out the content. Sorry about the wind here. It's a little windy when it's nice like this. Because I mean, it's only like March something and it's 77 degrees. Definitely getting a little bit of a warm spell, which I'm gonna probably have to run the AC when we get on the highway. First time this whole year. I like to roll with the windows down as much as possible, so. Turn can be a lot of fun, but we're gonna let that car get ahead. Get some AC going here a little bit. Okay, there's the button. I almost forgot where it was at for a second. And we're gonna go back to comfort mode. On my way home from work, I hit almost 28 mpg, and that was getting on the gas several times, so probably would have got at least 30 mpg if I was driving more casually. Not too shabby if you ask me. And I think the best gas mileage I've got in this car on a road trip was like 34, 35. And that might have been with my 19s, because I'm currently running the Titan 7s right now, and they weigh a little bit less than the factory wheels. I think they're 5 or 6 pounds lighter, something like that. The place I'm going to is called Wrap Effects. They said they'd be able to get me a pretty good deal, so man, this truck is going quick. I need to pass it. I guess my turn isn't for 2.4 more miles. But I think for road trips, this car is great. I mean, it rides smoothly with the 18-inch wheels, the lane keep assist technology, and all of that is just great. I believe this place is in Lenexa, Kansas. All right, let's see what kind of gas mileage we're getting so far, even though I got on the gas. 22.8. Yeah, my last drive was 28.3, not too bad. Best gas mileage I ever got in my FK8 was 37 miles to the gallon when I drove out to Colorado. I did that twice to go visit my friend. But she moved back to Kansas, so now I don't have an excuse to go out to Colorado and have a cheap place to stay, because she also had a really safe parking in her parking garage, so. All right, less than a mile, and then we turn. I think the air conditioner works pretty good on here. You guys can see I'm only doing it on the first bar, and it's more than enough. But having this tent makes a huge difference too, and I don't even have the most expensive tent. I think I have like the second tier up. Maybe I think I spent like 350 bucks, something like that. All right, here is my turn. My only other idea for this splitter I have is I thought it might be kind of cool to have it wrapped in the Type R camo that was on the camo car before the FL5 came out, but I decided just to go with more of a factory look. All right, this place is pretty close to my house. This makes it for a nice drive. I only work one job today, so it's kind of nice. The last 2 days I worked 12-hour days. Worked from basically getting to work at 5:30 and getting off at 7 p.m. with a little bit of a break in between. So it's nice to be able to go home tonight, cook a nice meal, relax, watch a little Netflix, do something besides work. I think my favorite thing about the resonator delete is I didn't have to spend a lot of money on the exhaust, and I think it sounds really good for what it is. It's not too loud, it's not too quiet, it's about perfect. Man, that person was on my ass. Oh, this parking lot is small. Okay, we're looking for 21977. With the package just barely fitting. Well, as you guys can see, I washed the car last weekend, and man, it's still looking pretty good. We haven't had any rain or anything like that, and This red weave just really shines when it's nice and clean. Talked to one of the employees, possibly the owner, and it looks like I won't have it done till Thursday because they got to wrap it, let it set for a few days, and with how much I work, my schedule's kind of conflicting, but it's looking like next Thursday I'll be able to get it, come back here, get it installed and pick it up. And yeah, super excited. So I think we are gonna drive home now. I picked out like a glossy carbon fiber that kind of matches the weave from the OEM pieces. It obviously won't have the red speck in there, but that's all right. And instead of it being vinyl, it's gonna be like a paint protection type. So a little bit more expensive, but that's all right. Get an extra paycheck next month, so. Whew, it is warm. Well, I think I'm gonna stop by Walmart and get me some olive oil because I need that to cook with. Well, I'm pretty excited about this mod. This will be fun. Might go a little bit over budget, but that's all right. It's just money, and I'm always at work. All right, let's get this AC going on here. Well, you guys have any suggestions on what I should do to my car next? I'll probably be a little bit before I order another piece, but I'll have to see what catches my eye, you know? Man, I got a dump truck in front of me. That's no good. Actually, that works out perfect. Now it's gonna get far ahead. All right, let's have some fun. Well, guys, I have about 3 years left on this car and it will be paid off and all mine. Been making some extra payments here and there and doing bi-weekly payments, so definitely helps pay off the car a little faster and save you some money on interest. Okay, someone's going like below 60. Yeah, I mean, my head is clear right now on what I might want to do next to the car. I try to add something every few months. I've had a little bit extra money lately since I'm working 2 jobs and as many hours I'm working, but nothing really comes to mind right now. Maybe some security, like a kill switch or some kind of GPS system or something like that. I do live in a pretty safe part of town. My car's in the garage. And, I even drive, or let me say, ride my scooter to my part-time job pretty much whenever I can. That was originally my backup plan for, oh crap, we have hail warnings today? Driving my scooter. And that's a lot of fun. It's something different. I think last year I was able to go almost 3 or 4 whole days without driving my car, because I would even take my scooter to my my main job. But I already want to upgrade and get a faster scooter. The one I have now only goes like 19 miles per hour with about I think about a 20-mile range. And it's definitely lost a little bit of power since I've had it, but I mean, I've probably put a few 100 miles on the thing and it was only like $400. It does have a replaceable battery that I could do, but I think I'd like to upgrade and get one that just has more potential for speed anyways. It looks like Waze is telling us that there might be some po-pos up here. That's all right, because we on cruise control. Yeah, let's see, for dinner tonight, I'm thinking about doing something different. I've got some chicken, maybe do some garbanzo beans and bake them in the oven with some olive oil and some peppers, maybe throw some potatoes in there. I'm probably gonna buy some eggs too. I've been doing the high protein lifestyle lately, eating lots of eggs, and I've been hitting the gym. Started about 3.5 months ago. I've been following Mike Mincer's program, which is his consolidated program where I only lift once every 7 days, and I've been making really good gains. And his philosophy is that your body needs more time out of the gym to recover, especially if you're not on steroids, and that like there's different skin types that deal with the sun. There's also different genetics on how fast you recover from a workout. And there was times in my life where I'd work out 3-4 times a week and just wouldn't make much progress, and now I'm doing much less, and I feel like I'm making really good progress. Workout A was squats to failure, and then pull downs to failure, and then workout B a week later would be deadlifts and then weighted dips. And I do all those exercises to failure once I'm warmed up. Most of my workouts take about 20-25 minutes, usually about 20 minutes, so pretty amazing. So the guy needs to get out of the fast lane. All right, guys, I think that's all I got for you today. If you're still watching, I appreciate you guys, and if you get a chance to subscribe, that'd be amazing, because I'm almost at 1,000. All right, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day. Peace out.